Going to be a Friday shop day. Bill has a gig tomorrow. I'm going to take the opportunity to work on house projects. My sign won a second place spot in Instructables, $100 gift card. Birdhouses are in a contest that closes on the 23rd. Still no tenants. Probably sanding more shells back today. We'll find out. Alright, parents are on the way down from New Hampshire. Got the Mahler Box back for some sprucing up. Probably do some housekeeping today. Got Billy in the hot seat doing admin work. That's everyone's favorite.
You know that's right.
I think we have the new heads to swap for the donations. Shells are being sanded back to be sprayed. Bill's enlisted his friend Andy to help, slave labor. And I brought my old Mapex snare in to strip down and throw on the buffing wheel. The plating is lifting up in a few spots, so I'm going to see if I can hide some crimes, get it back together, see what else we get into.
I'm not going to do this all with the chisel. I'm going to mill them, but I just wanted to find the corners so that I don't end up tearing everything out. Might work. Got to cut that rabbet so that these fit over those pieces of angle iron.
Oh, why aren't you doing it just on the table saw?
Because it's not all the way across. So I'm just going to mill them, but I wanted to just get the corners so I don't tear it out.
Rites of Spring. Amazing what a difference these flimsy things make.
Seems like yesterday we were taking these off.
Yeah.
Okay, we've lost our help for the day. Mom and Dad Whitney headed back to New Hampshire. Andy headed home. He was a huge help. New shelf. Purchased by Mama Whitney. Assembled by Bill Sr. Stocked. Looking great. Donation kit got new heads. That'll be picked up. This still needs work. This needs some work. Leather station got picked up. Rack and floor for Chris Roberts buttoned up. Goes with the Rogers kick that's been done for a while, so that we price that up, tally that up. Bill's working on a drawer repair. Cracked where the bottom feeds in.
Yeah, it was all super warped, and this was cracked and had been repaired by a previous owner, but it was just out way too far.
Look at how aggressive the runners have been digging in.
I know.
Wow.
I was thinking about replacing this bottom, but I figured I'd at least try to keep it original first. I don't know why. But
got paint on that set of hoops. Poly on the Xylo parts. These are ready for spray. Another set of hoops are ready for paint. Currently in the booth is the Xylo frame getting blackened. So once that comes out,
The other stuff.
hoops and shells. With a tuba lesson somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Gotta do some teaching.
All right, these are done. I already took it off the board. It's the best part. Shells are ready to spray, didn't quite get to it. This is in poly, these are in paint. Today's video has been all over the place because we were kind of talking shop with Andy, so we didn't film it.
Yeah.
Got the Mahler box cleaned up a bit. I took some edge banding off. We're gonna sand it to get it cleaned up a bit.
Yeah, I think there were a few things I wanted to do that I ran out of time when I was building it initially. I wanted a nice like frame around the top, and I didn't have time, so I just put on the edge banding and was, you know, but I'd like to, you know, kind of revisit that. And obviously this needs to get cleaned up a lot, but yeah, got some miles on it, but it's still pretty cool.
And it's loud AF.
It's very loud.
Hit it.
Yeah.
I think I touched cloth.